Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Naturally Timmy and I'm coming at you guys with a new video. Now this is a wig. It looks really natural, right? Looks like it could be my hair. So yeah, this is a wig from HerGivenHair and I'm about to show you all the details and of course how I got this look, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is how the hair comes in. It comes in a black box and it comes with the hair. It comes with the product description. It comes with some clips and a band, and it also comes with an instruction manual book. So this is a 3C for a coily texture hair. It's the Proud of Your Coily unit, so it is a wig, and it's natural hair color. And I got the small cap size. All the other information will be in the description bar below. So right now what I'm doing is co-washing, and I use the Suave moisturizing conditioner just because I know that that conditioner is going to provide enough slip, and it's really easy to finger detangle my hair, so I'm not running a comb through it. This is how it looks when everything is finger detangled. It looks really juicy. The curls look juicy. And this is how much hair I lost. I didn't lose a lot at all. So this is how the hair looks in its natural state. Of course, I did not cut off the lace yet because I was just, putting in some twists and some perm rods. So I was just like, I could cut it after, which is what I did. So what I'm doing is sectioning a portion of my hair, brushing it in. I'm using an ID mousse. You can use any mousse, any product, any cream that you really like. I just decided to just go ahead and opt for that. So what I did was I slathered a whole bunch in one section, and then I twisted my hair, and I just do that for the entire head. So it took me about 20-25 minutes to do my entire head of twist. Not that long at all, and the hair is really soft, like it really mimics natural hair, and I didn't really get any tangles at all, so that is a plus. You guys know when it comes to wigs, we not trying to have shedding out here, so that is a good thing. And this is going to be my last twist, and at first I was just going to leave twist in, and then I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and put some rods to just spice it up a little. You guys know, like, I've been feeling rods lately, so that's exactly what I did. I just went ahead and went back all over my entire head and added some rods in, and then I waited about 3 hours. I put it in the hair dryer for about 3 hours, and then I let it air dry the rest of the time until I was just ready to just go ahead and style the hair. So that's what I did. So now I'm taking out the rods, and it should be a completely dry. I got like one, I think I had like one curl that wasn't completely dry, but it didn't fail on me, so it did really well. Like, it wasn't all the way dry, but it was dry enough where the curl didn't fall, which was a good thing. So I just comb my hands with a little bit more oil, and then I go ahead and separate. Now the separating was extremely easy. Like, I wasn't getting no tangles. I didn't really have to like take my time separating. I kind of just was like, messily separating because I don't know, it was just easy. So that's what I did. It took about, honestly, like 3 minutes to detangle everything. And then I'm going to take my pick and I'm going to pick the entire section of my hair. And after I pick my hair, that's really it. You guys know picking is the main thing when it comes to like covering the parts and all that stuff and making your hair bigger. So that's what I did, and this is how the style turned out. This is a 14-inch wig, so I'm really loving this short, this kind of shorter look on me. It is summer, so I don't want hair all up on my back. So yeah, I really love this style. Let me know what you guys think. HerGivenHair is having a 4-year anniversary sale, and I'll put all that information in the description bar below. So yeah, don't forget to check that out before leaving. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.